A month after a devastating fire left 50 people homeless, a small community organization that has been providing aid is expressing frustration over the lack of support. The group is now calling on corporate Jamaica to step in and help rebuild the homes of the fire victims.
This is the heartbreaking reality for the 50 fire victims in Parade Gardens who lost everything nearly a month ago. The charred remains of their homes still sit there, untouched, a stark reminder of their struggle. A community-based organization, a Something for Talk About Enterprise and Tours, has been providing care packages and food items, offering a lifeline to those affected. However, their efforts to begin rebuilding have stalled due to a lack of resources. Philip Watson is CEO of the organization, as well as the chairman of the CDC Youths, Sports and Culture in Parade Gardens.
Yeah, I would love more corporate people to come inside Parade Garden, assist these people, see the cry of these people, look at even how the houses has been burnt. They are burnt by blocks from Fleet Street to Lad Lane. So the effect is very bad on the people.
Among the displaced are single mothers and an elderly woman whose health has declined since losing her home. The organization says without immediate support, these families will remain in limbo.
Me still not recover. And the rest of the people, them will get burned out on the lane, them not recover. Because as you can see, them was still homeless. You understand? I just pay a promise we get. I tell you straight like it is. Pay a promise. You understand? I shout out and give thanks to who did bring like a gross to come give away and stuff like that. But otherwise from that, like material wise, even if we bring like a material come give away and stuff and we pick up the rest of the slack, yeah, it would have good, but nothing, pay a promise.
Because I want to take it easy till when better men come in, because we are trying to do it ourselves. Yes, so I just have to use my feelings to when it done.
The fire left them homeless, but the lack of support is what's keeping them that way. It's why Mr. Watson is calling on corporate Jamaica to step in.
You either send someone to survey if they don't want to come inside the community and just look at the people cry. Because our focus is crime prevention. The outside world problem is crime prevention. And Jamaica on a whole full of crime. So how can we fix that? Unless these corporate people come inside, partner with the CBOs, partner with the CDC, and make it be a process that when something is happening in the community, we have assistance from outside persons.
Nakinski Robinson, TVJ News.